Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Paysafecard to PayPal. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I'd like for you to know that you cannot directly convert a Paysafecard, okay, or a Paysafecard balance to PayPal, okay? But you can go ahead and transfer funds by first cashing out your Paysafecard balance to a linked bank account or by getting a Paysafecard MasterCard. Now, once the funds are in your bank account or on the MasterCard, you can now then go ahead and link this one to your PayPal account right here to send money to PayPal and cash in, okay, or spend it as you wish. Okay, on PayPal, if you want to add your bank, you can go ahead and click on Add Card or Bank option right here, or just go straight ahead to the bottom right and click on Link a Card or Bank, okay? Just go ahead and select the option Link a Bank Account right here. You can go ahead and enter the bank name, bank code, account number, and then once done, link your bank. Okay, or if you're from the US, you have the option Link a US bank instead. All right. Now, if you want to use Wise to transfer money from Paysafecard, okay, to Wise and to PayPal, you can go and let me know in the comments below and I'll do the video for you. But that's it for now. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.